Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to set up your Z10 smart lock set using the Tuya app. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through downloading the app, creating a new account, and pairing your lock set to the application so you can manage it right from your smartphone. First, open the App Store if you're using iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Search for Tuya Smart. Then tap Download or Install. Once installed, open the Tuya app on your device. On the first launch, read the user agreement and privacy policy, then tap Agree. If this is your first time using the Tuya app, tap Sign Up to create a new account. Enter your email address or mobile number, then follow the prompts to set your password. Once registered, you'll receive a verification code either via SMS or email. Enter the code to complete your account setup. Next, set your password. Now you're ready to log in. After logging in, let's set the Z10 to pairing mode. Enter setup by pressing the asterisk and number sign buttons. Next, enter the admin passcode. Then select System Settings, number 3. Then select Function Settings, number 3. And finally, select Network Config, number 1. On the Tuya app, tap the plus icon on the top right corner of the home screen, then click Add Device. Select Camera and Lock from the device list. Go to Smart Lock and click Lock Wi-Fi. Make sure your Z10 Smart Lock set is in pairing mode. Select Wi-Fi and type the password of your Wi-Fi, then click Next. Click Confirm and Proceed. Then click Confirm the indicator is blinking rapidly, and finally click Easy Mode. Wait until the pairing finishes. Once paired successfully, your Z10 Smart Lock set will say Success. And that's how to download and install the app, create an account, and pair your lock set to the Tuya app. Thank you for watching.